Howdy, this is NC State Dendrology. And if you look at the environment around me, you can see some beech trees, big loblolly pine, and this lovely mountain laurel in flower. You might think that we're in the mountains. I can see around me some scarlet oaks, also tulip tree, red maple, of course. But actually I'm on the Falls Lake Trail here in Wake County, North Carolina, and I'm with Kalmia latifolia, which is in full flower right now. I kind of aimed my run today so that I would be able to catch these beautiful shrubs and flowers. So this is a really interesting species, and I'm on this little dry section of the MST at Falls Lake. The soil is pretty acidic, and probably one of the disturbances here is that there is a lack of fire. This area might burn more, and so we've got a lot more holly and beech than you might expect. But I know I have a video for Kalmia latifolia. It's got these bright green, they're very shiny today because it's raining, leaves, and if I feel the midrib with my fingers, there's a little bit of the midrib on top of it and also underneath, so it's kind of like the midrib sort of splits the leaf, entire margins. These are evergreen. And then the flowers are in these beautiful little clusters. They can range from white to pink. And I'll have to see if I can show you, but the anthers are tucked into these little pockets. The petals are fused, and the anthers are tucked into pockets. They're spring loaded, so when a bee comes to get the nectar reward, the little anthers pop open and slap that bee with the pollen, which it then carries off to the next plant. So this is a species in the Ericaceae, and you might think it's a little bit different flowers than our typical Ericaceae. But it's got fused petals, and if you imagine just a very large version of your typical Ericaceae flowers. But I'm in this grove of mountain laurel here on the Mountains to Sea Trail at Falls Lake, and it is a beautiful day, even though it's raining. So thanks for tuning in.